Hey everyone, I'm Sanya, and in today's video, I'm going to follow a celebrity makeup routine. And today, we're following the routine of none other than Hailey Bieber. So I went through a couple of her videos and I loved the date night look that she's created in one of them. Let's see what she's actually done.
Get that skin nice and glowy and dewy.
Okay, so I'm gonna use a glow serum for that lit from within finish. I'm using one which has vitamin C. It's so lightweight and it has this tinted finish. I've also noticed that it instantly gives me this natural radiant finish. Next, she goes in with a moisturizer and applies a little extra on the drier sides of her face.
And just add a little bit in the places where I get a little bit extra dry as the weather's starting to cool down a little bit.
For me, it's the under eyes. So let's go ahead and do that. And let's dive into makeup.
I'm just gonna put it in the areas where I feel like I need it, under my eyes, around the nose. I like to blend with my fingers.
I'm gonna apply my concealer sparingly, only on areas where I think my skin needs to be evened out. For blending, I'm using my fingers. I love how this literally melts so easily into my skin, and for areas that need more coverage, it can be built up easily without any caking. Okay, let's see what she does next.
Here. And then for right here, we'll use a blender.
Alright, so I'm gonna do the same. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and blend it with a beauty sponge.
I like to just go on the cheeks, over the nose, around the hairline, chin.
I can see that she applies it on her cheekbones and then sweeps it over her nose, around the hairline, and even on the chin and neck.
I'm really into just doing like monochromatic looks right now, like the same thing on the cheek, on the lid, on the lip.
Okay, so I'm using a cream blush, so let's go ahead and dab it onto the cheeks. I'm also gonna apply it on my eyes. Next, I'm also gonna apply it on my lips because I love that monochromatic look.
Just put it on the high points, put it on the bridge of my nose.
I'm following her lead and using a highlighter that's going to give me that glistening kind of an effect. And I'm just gonna dab it on the high points of my face.
Next, I'm going to curl my lashes. I love this one, it has like a super fluffy brush.
So let's go ahead and curl the lashes. And then I'm gonna apply 2 to 3 coats of my mascara.
Underneath my eyes, just to really seal in that concealer.
Okay, so now I'm using my trusty powder. It has an airtight mattifying formula that'll help me knock off excess oil from the oil-prone areas of my face.
Lips are feeling a little bit dry.
Okay, so I'm using a lip balm instead for a glass-like lip finish, just like our friend Hailey. I have to say that this look is surprisingly easy and I love following Hailey's date night routine. Did you like the format of this video? If yes, suggest to us in the comments section which celebrity videos would you want us to recreate next. See you next time.